Like is your Dyson 14 making a weird noise? We are Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We collect your device from your door, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We are located at Calle Joaquín María López 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. Strange noises can often be caused by blockages or wear and tear in the motor or other components. We will carefully inspect your Dyson, remove any blockages, and replace any faulty parts to get it back to working order. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.